Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork, and I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and my firm focuses on personal injury cases, car accident cases, things like that. Today I want to talk about how do you prove your lost wages if you're involved in a car accident. If you're involved in a car accident and it's not your fault, somebody else hit you, you're allowed to get compensation from the person who hit you. You're allowed to get all your medical bills paid, you get all your pain and suffering, and you also get any time you missed off work. You get that money back under the law. And so what I want to talk about today, though, is that when you're employed as a company, when you're a W-2 employee, it's pretty easy to prove lost wages. All we do is just take how much time you missed off work to figure out your average hourly rate or your annual rate or whatever, and then just calculate that way. It's pretty easy. The problem comes in if you're not a W-2 employee, if you're self-employed. That's the hardest time to prove lost wages, only because, you don't have that regular pay stub that you do if you're an employee. So when you're working for yourself, you're an entrepreneur, you're a self-employed person, the way we prove lost wages is we basically, first of all, we try to look at any of your ledgers, any of your accounting or your schedules from your clients who basically said we were going to hire you for this job and we had to cancel it because you couldn't work because you were hurt. So if there's some type of notation of a job that you had lined up that you couldn't do, we use that as proof of your lost wages, and we find out again how much that job would have been worth if you would have been able to do it, but you can't now because you're hurt from the accident. So that's the first thing we look at. We look at customers and clients who say that we couldn't hire you because you weren't able to work. The second way we do it is we'll get about 3 years of back taxes to show kind of what your steady rate of income per month is. And once the accident happened, you weren't able to make that money, or that's what you would have made if you would have been able to work. And so we look at it like that as far as the back taxes when it comes to a self-employed person. And those are usually the two biggest ways that we prove lost wages when somebody's self-employed. But again, you are definitely entitled to lost wages under the law. So anyways, hope that helps. Like I said, if you're self-employed and you're involved in a car accident case, you do get your lost wages, any jobs you lost because of the injury, because of the accident. So if you have any questions, please get in touch. I'll leave all my contact information below. And then please check out my website at woodforklaw.com. And I'll leave all my contact information down below also. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.